was done in the dark. Come to the light. I got a question. Okay. Put the camera on me. I ain't trying to be funny, but I'm with a Porsche on this one. Do turtles make sounds? No. I know dogs make sounds, for sure. wait, no.
Shoot, them dogs. Let's talk about them dogs.
No.
In the bed.
No, shut up.
And them turtles. In the closet.
Them turtles in the closet. I heard a turtle once. It was funny.
But I ain't never know that turtles make noise.
That's what I'm saying. I mean, I thought they just crawl slow.
Well, he wasn't slow on this one.
Okay, but that's my question. Comment below and like my status.
What about them dogs?
Yeah,
Them
they bark. They bark, but don't say nothing.
But I thought they said rawr. Oh, I got that mixed up with, what's his name? Dick. Yeah, go.
Who said that? Okay. So that's the question. Do turtles make sound? I ain't never got one over.
Yes, yeah.
Okay. Now I definitely look ugly. Take that off.
They gonna say rich. Okay. Yep.
So, do turtles make sounds?